In Atlanta, Georgia, right now.
The Oklahoma Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert at the request of the Chickasaw Nation Light Horse Police. Suspect is Gary Underwood, 39 years of age, Indian male, 6'4", 170 pounds, possibly driving an older maroon Monte Carlo or a blue 1998 Chevrolet pickup with Chickasaw tribal tag C like Charlie, N like Nancy, 26572. Victims are Trinity Underwood, 11 years of age, female, and Coden Underwood, 1 year of age, male. No clothing description at this time. If contact is made, do not approach and call 911.